So us teenagers are huge attention seekers. We always want other people, many of our friends and many girls to like us. But that doesn't really always happen, because sometimes the people who you really want them to like you, they end up not liking you at all. They end up pushing you apart. They end up not responding to your text, and they end up acting like they are not interested in you at all. But what are those tricks that you can implement in your life, because of which those cool people, those cool girls, those sexy girls, those nice people would start liking you? You have to implement some few actions, some few good ways on how so that people can end up liking you. And there are many reasons why some people can start not liking you. That can include bad breath. Maybe there's too much a bad body odor from you. Maybe the way you talk just is really annoying, or maybe you just talk too much, or maybe you just talk too little. There are many factors. I'll be making a separate video on that, but in this video we're talking about solutions. Here are 5 tips on how people can start liking you, mostly your friends, or many times your girls. The first tip is copy the person you are with. This strategy is actually called mirroring, and it involves copying the person's body language and the gestures that he does. This is a psychological trick which actually will make them start liking you more. So always try to copy the person that you're with. For example, if his hand movements go in some way, or his talking way, he has a different type of personality in the way he talks, then try to copy that. When you copy that, he basically will start sort of liking you. It is actually a psychological trick, so he psychologically will be more inclined to talk to you or maybe be your friend. Complimenting others can be one of the greatest ways for making other people like you, because it's actually a psychological trick. When you compliment others, they feel that you're a very nice person and you appreciate what's good in them, and therefore they'll seem to like you more, because everyone wants compliments. Come on, do you ever feel sad when someone calls you hot, or do you ever feel really annoyed when someone tells you that, damn, you look really nice today? No, because everybody likes to be complimented, and therefore if you compliment others, you have a greater chance of being liked by them. But it's only us teenagers mostly that really feel shy to be complimented by others. So always remember, don't compliment in such a way that other people will think that you're a creep. Compliment in a really nice and sensual way, so that people will think that you're a really nice person and you're genuinely complimenting them in order to make them feel happy. And genuinely, trust me, complimenting others can be one of the greatest ways that you can feel to gain their trust, and they'll seem to like you more. The third tip that will make other people like you more is emphasize shared values. Now you might be thinking, Akib, what are these stupid complex words? But trust me, these words are not complex at all. What this basically means is that people are more inclined to be friends or to like someone who is more alike to them. Now, if I'm a person who has a personality of confidence, and who likes watching YouTube videos, who makes YouTube videos, who has interest in personality development, self-development, and if I have a friend and if he wants to gain my trust, he wants to be my friend, then he will try to talk to me about similar topics that I'm interested in. Therefore, that will make me like me more, because according to a study by Theodore Newcomb, people are more inclined to be friends with people who are alike each other. So you will never like a person who's completely opposite to you. You like a person who is very much similar to you. The fourth tip can be tell them a secret. Self-disclosure is one of the best ways to gain someone's trust. And if you want to gain someone's trust and you don't trust him at all, and you don't want to tell him any secrets, you don't want to reveal anything about yourself or about anyone else who to them, they will never ever be able to trust you. Neither will you be able to trust them. Therefore, no friendship, no liking each other. So if you want to gain someone's trust, or if you want to be friends with someone who isn't really interested in you, try to gain their friendship by telling them a secret. Because when you disclose something about yourself, maybe an embarrassing moment, or about someone else, or about something they didn't know about, they will be inclined to like you more. Why? Because when you disclose something about them, about yourself, then the other person will think that you really trust them. Therefore, that will make him like you more. Psychology tricks, man. Come on, guys. I think we all have that one friend who, once he starts talking, he never stops. But trust me, if you want to gain friendships over people, if you want people to trust you, then you have to stop being that person. No one likes a guy who keeps blabbering about himself and his past experiences and doesn't let the other person talk. You need to be a good listener as well, apart from a good talker, apart from being a talkative person. So try to listen to the conversation. If you want to be friends with someone, and if you're hanging out, and if you're just blabbering about yourself and your experiences, that is gonna really make the other person regret about hanging out with you. So maybe let them share a story or two, because a Harvard research shows that when someone talks about themselves, they tend to like the conversation more. And therefore, if you want to be a friends with person, let them talk about themselves. Let them talk about their aspirations, their life, their career, their future goals, their maybe maybe life partner, their relationships, anything. Let them talk. Let them tell you a story or two about it. So when you let someone else talk, that really psychologically makes them like you more, and therefore trust you, and therefore you will have a good conversation, you'll be best friends, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something from it, and as usual, do follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and if you really have any feedback about me, because I am not perfect, I'm just trying to see, today I did my hair because I thought if I look good, then the video may be good. So if you have any even bad feedback about me, write it down in the comment section below. I'll be sure to reply to you. I'll be sure to work on that feedback so that I can be a better person as well, because no one's perfect on this planet. Come on, we all have to agree to that. Even Ranveer Labbadia, who just released his YouTube channel, isn't perfect. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.